Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Current Affairs Preparation YouTube channel. Here I come up with some current affairs questions of the April 3rd week. Let's start the session. Here the first question. Along with which social media platform the Economic Intelligence Unit released the Inclusive Internet Index 2021? Headquarter of the Economic Intelligence Unit is London, UK. In this index, India's rank is 49 and the top 5 countries are Sweden, US, Spain, Australia, Hong Kong. Here the answer is Facebook. Facebook is tied up with Economist Intelligence Unit for this Inclusive Internet Index Report 2021. Next one is, under whose chairmanship the National Green Tribunal has formed an 8-member national task force to monitor the remedial steps to improve the status of the air quality. Headquarter of the National Green Tribunal is New Delhi, and the answer is Rameshwar Prasad Gupta. He is the Secretary of the Ministry of the Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Next one is, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Sports Exchange, a fantasy sports platform? And the answer is Prithvi Shah. Next one is, which city will host the 22nd Laureus World Sports Awards in a virtual ceremony owing to the rising COVID-19 pandemic? And the answer is Seville. Seville is in Spain. Next question is, believe what life and cricket taught me is the memoir of which Indian cricketer? That means it is the autobiography of which Indian cricketer? And the answer is Suresh Raina. Next one is, which small finance bank has partnered with fintech company NIRA to strengthen its digital footprint and onboard its customers for personal loans? Here, AU Small Finance Bank headquarter is Jaipur, Rajasthan. Janalakshmi Small Finance Bank headquarter is Bangalore, Karnataka. Capital Small Finance Bank headquarter is Jalandhar, Punjab. And the Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka. And the answer is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka. Next one is, what is the theme of the Global Food Policy Report 2021 published by the International Food Policy Research Institute? Here the headquarter of the International Food Policy Research Institute is Washington, D.C. And the answer is Transforming Food System After COVID-19. Next one is, who has been appointed as the Director General of the National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA? And NADA headquarters is New Delhi. And the answer is Siddhartha Singh Langjam. Next one is, which bank has allowed its customers to make international fund transfer, send money abroad in over 100 currencies across 150 countries through the Send Money Abroad? And the answer is Axis Bank. Next one is, which financial institution will invest $100 million in JC Flowers India Opportunities Fund to help Indian financial institutions in resolving distressed assets? Here AIDB headquartered in Manila, Philippines. AIB means Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, headquartered in Beijing, China. NDB, New Development Bank, headquartered in Shanghai, China. IFC, International Financial Corporation, headquartered in Washington, D.C. And the answer is IFC, International Finance Corporation. And here the session is over, guys. This is my first video in this channel. I will come up with more videos in later sessions. Thank you, guys. And if you like this session, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.